Hello, my name is Douglas. I appreciate you watching the video. Getting ready to do brakes on this 91 Nissan. So here's a couple of tools that you will need. I'm gonna have to kind of shoot this in series, but that's okay. You always want to, first thing you want to do, one reason is I got it recorded how this thing is put together. Another thing, yeah, you can't really see that down there. But over here I want to point out this right here. This is actually up in here and not connected. Apparently that needs to be fixed. Up here you got the lever. You got a good tension on it and all that. So that needs to be addressed. So I'm going to get you over here. I'll show you a couple of tools that you'll need here. Good investments. So let's see what happens. Alright, that something like that. Alright, let's, come to think about it, I've got gloves, but I don't mind getting my hands dirty. It's always fun. Where do you even start? So, get that. Yeah, it's gonna fight you. That's why nobody wants to do this. I don't even want to do this. I did get a new spring set. Yeah, that might be a good idea. Yeah, that's not even budging. Yeah, even with a tool. Do get you some of this. And make sure it's pointing away because this thing will blast you. Let's see what this other side does. Not cooperating. This thing goes all the way back to the very back. I am not a professional, but I've done this before, and it's taking time. Got one down. Like I said, yeah, otherwise you got to take a pair of needle nose pliers and hit this. Boom. I got the other side. Cool. Alright, now we're moving right along. There's the other side. Yeah. And again, yeah, these might just come on apart. There. Okay. So far, so good. Don't even know what's holding that bottom. Somehow you gotta get these springs to unsprung. And that's it. Maybe that top one. It was here. Yeah, you're going to be difficult, aren't you? Hey, all right. Getting there. Oh. This is actually called the slack adjuster. Once I get it out, I'll put it down, clean it up, really, just clean up everything. Let's try this side. I'm glad that I bought a kit, because I think that one just bent. Hell, we got us a good mess now. Try to get this thing wired up. Well. Got that out. Yeah, it's gonna fall apart now. Coming on out here now. Alright. Was that not fun? We're not even done yet. Come down here and see what's going on. This is hooked here. There's one shoe. Little spring on the bottom. And just got to figure out how to get this thing out. Looks like needle nose pliers. This might pivot, and this part right here is locked. So I'm gonna have to look at that and see what's going on, because it ain't moving, and I don't know if it's supposed to. So that might be why I don't have no brakes. I don't want to leave that in there. So I need to find me a pair of pliers. I think I'm going to move this. Brakes. Got my hands dirty. Yeah. Now just shine that right in your eyes. Alright, I gotta go find me a pair of needle nose pliers right over here, maybe. Let's see if I can't get it off with these pliers right here. That's a booger. Got it. All right. And just think about it, that was just to get them off. Light shining. Hope you can see that. Put some light on the subject. There, right there, you got to get this part off there, and that's already in there, and so that is your own nightmare, your own battle. So I'll appreciate you watching the video. Got one side off, so I'm going to get started on this and try to get this part off right here, and this will go on the new shoes, even though those don't really look that bad. Alright, appreciate you watching the video. Stay tuned.